Are you tired of manually tracking start and end dates for your projects and wish you could automate that headache with the power of AI? Today, we're going to connect Vapi AI with Makem, making those start and end dates pop up automatically so you can streamline your workflow and boost your organization. First, let's get Makem open and logged in. Create a brand new scenario by clicking on Create a New Scenario. On the scenario, click the plus sign to add the first module. To kick things off, search for Vapi AI and select its module. Next, you'll need to add a Vapi AI module and connect it with your API key and input data, such as prompt. Add your Vapi AI API key. Here you will input your prompt into the text field. Now, let's add a module to store the start and end dates. Click the plus sign to add another module. For example, search for an app like Google Sheets and choose the module that says add a row. With the Google Sheet module open, you'll need to map the data. Map the start date and end date fields in Google Sheets to the output values from your Vapi AI module. Make sure to test it. To finish, save your scenario and schedule how often you want the scenario to run, depending on your project's needs. Congratulations! Your Vapi AI and Makem integration is all set up. Now your start and end dates automatically appear.